and only Mr. Arden Richards. Oh my God.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng nandito ngayon sa New Frontier. Alam mo, Will, pinapanood kita din sa gilid kanina, and then it's so nostalgic for me kasi nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa'yo before. But siguro, it's been a while since we last saw each other. I think yung last po namin na pinagsamahan teleserye ni Will, Destined to be Yours, long time ago. You've come a long way. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Before, mas trumiple, kumadruple pa ngayon. But siguro, ang ma-advise ko sa'yo, Will, you know, as your kuya, grabe, no? Kuya na ako. Dito rin, actually po, dito rin kasi ako nag-first concert. Same na same. New Frontier. And I think what I can give you as your older brother in the industry, this is your chance, Will. This is your chance. Bigyan mo ng importansya lahat ng taong nandito ngayon. Use what you have right now for a purpose. More than the fame, more than higit pa sa palakpakan at hiyawan ng mga tao, i-inspire mo silang gumawa ng mabuti. I think that's what really matters, and I think that will give you longevity. Kasi based on experience, kapag mabuti ang intensyon mo at mabuti ang puso mo, at maganda ang intensyon mo sa mga bagay at mga pagkakataong dumadating sa'yo, you can never go wrong with. These people are the living testament to that. And ang masasabi ko lang, guys, hindi kayo mali ng sinuporta.
Wow. Most of you guys know na si Kuya Alden talaga yung idol ko bago pa ako pumasok ng showbiz. Lagi ko nga nagkwento, Kuya. Meron ako napanood ng teleserye mo, hindi ko lang matandaan ang title. Tapos sabi ko sa sarili ko, sino ba ibayan ko talaga? One day, makapag-inspire din ako, bagaya ng pag-inspire mo sa akin. Kaya, sharing this stage with you now, grabe, sobrang... Wow. I'm just so happy, so grateful na naglaan ka ng time mo para makapunta dito sa concert ko at makapag-duet tayo dalawa. And hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko, but I'm really happy. Sobrang happy. Thank you.
Siguro, syempre pagkatapos nito, magbibihis ka, di ba? Tapos sasaluhin mo na kita ng konti. Ito yung wag mong kakalimutan as an individual, Will. Lahat ng mga bagay na dumadating sa atin, deserve natin. Kasi may nagawa tayong mabuti. So, of course, kahit naman before, I mean, experiencing all of these things right now, minsan surreal, minsan di ba parang, wow, parang andito na ako ngayon. I mean, I'm living my dream right now. But don't forget that you worked hard for it and you deserve it. Don't forget that. Saka maging mabuting tao palagi. Congratulations.
Thank you, grabe. Woo! New Frontier! Mr. Alden Richards! Yeah. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Iwan mo na kita ngayon.
Sige lang.
Thank you so much. Guys, kayo bahala kay Kuya Alden, ha? Idol ko yan. Sige. Thank you, Kuya Alden.
Hello po, magandang gabi. Nakakatawa lang kasi parang, you know, being here in the same stage where I had my first concert, being able to see Will perform, medyo nagsisink na sa akin, matanda na talaga ako. but anyway, kaya po tayo nagtipon-tipon lahat dito is of course to show our love and support for Will, to have a good time despite of everything that's happening around us right now. Deserve natin maging masaya, alam, di ba? Kahit ano pang nangyayari, kahit nilalaman tayo ng ibang tao dyan, I mean, we all deserve to enjoy. And with this song of mine, I think it's quite relative to what we have to stand for. I mean, yung mga sumusuporta kay Will ngayon, syempre yung mga bagets dyan, yung mga Gen Z, Gen Alpha natin dyan, di ba? We now live in the age that we have a voice, we have platforms. Pwede natin sabihin lahat ng mga nasa sa loob natin as long as it's for the benefit of the common good. At siguro, if there's one thing na gusto nating sabihin sa mga tao doon, we deserve better. We deserve better. So with this song, kahit pa paano, sana ma-uplift nitong kantang to yung mga nararamdaman natin ngayon. And of course, syempre this night, it's all about Will Astley and all the performers and all of you guys. This is a celebration of love, of support, and of a long-time partnership na meron kayong mga supporters ni Will and si Will. So, I hope you enjoyed this song, guys. Music, please.